Hello, my name is Khari Humphreys, and I'd like to invite you to the What is My Why Intergenerational Leadership Workshop during the 2021 Virtual Park Advisory Conference. During this session, you'll learn about passing the baton to other residents to ensure your PAC has long-term impact on your park and community, and how to connect with young people and elders to ensure their participation in your PAC. Registration is open now, so mark your calendars. The PAC conference is on March 6th, 2021.
I'm Robert Castillo, and I'd like to invite you to participate in the Building Community through Innovation and Collaboration workshop that's being held as part of the 2021 Park Advisory Conference. During the session, you'll hear from a great group of panelists who over the years have worked together to help create fun-free events within their community, and you will walk away with the knowledge of how to do so in your own respective parks. So please mark your calendars. Registration is open now, and we'll see you on Saturday, March 6th for a great conference.